That's picked.
Okay.
Loose again.
Yeah.
Tension. Binder. Okay, now it's not binding. So let's find a binder. Okay, let's go to 9. That's a binder.
Yeah.
Right, I heard those click.
Yeah.
Right, just little bit by little bit. Now I'll feel it. See that?
Yeah, yeah.
Bit of rotation.
Sometimes it depends on the lock. Right.
Okay.
Tension on it.
Not really, no.
And corner.
Okay, so check this out, right? 10 is picked. See that movement? It's picked. Now I'm going to go over those and see which one is not picked. There is it. There it is. Right? Now it's picked. Okay, 8 is picked. 10 is picked. 4 is not picked. Right? Just slowly. Is it picked or not? Yes. Okay, 3 is a bit average because it shouldn't be moving that much. 5 is a bit that's a bit average. So I can say we've got to get 1 here. So that's not picked. There's too much movement in that. Okay, I need to probably reset because I have a feeling that one of these is over picked. It's over, something is overpicked, so I really do need to reset, but sometimes I'm lazy. Okay, it's overpicked. Start again. Alright, let's find a binder. Okay, nothing on the top. Let's have a look on, nothing on the bottom. Okay, there's one. Okay, picked. Picked. I just dropped one. Picked. I felt a bit of plug movement. Go back to 10. Right. Just drop one. That's fine. Feel a bit of plug movement. That's picked. Or that might be a binder. See how I've got, see on this one here, I've got nothing. Right, so I can tell that that is in the plug and the shear line. I probably will have to reset again, but we'll just see how we go.
Okay.
Okay, so it's actually easier than C4.
Ooh.
Right?